I know I'm the last person that you want to hear from right now, Chris, and I can't apologize enough. I know that you're mad, but from the bottom of my heart, I really am sorry. I'm just trying to...
What are you gonna say?
I was saying... I am just trying to apologize!
And I just thought you were my fucking friend! Set me up to take the fall, and then you try to send me to prison, and you think I'm sorry he's gonna cut it? Cut it! Dude, we're off it.
You are? I'm getting so many moral judgments from people who regularly kill people.
I don't kill people for nothing, all right? When my brother died, I made a vow.
Right, the vow.
Anyone I'd kill for peace.
Oh, Jesus.
So unlike Keith, no one would ever die for no reason again.
Well, that's fucking stupid. So you're gonna make it so that death isn't meaningless anymore.
Go fuck yourself.